headlines. MU Vice Chancellor Jarnal Singh stresses on preservation of religion language. And police catch serial bag snatcher in Imphal. Hello, you're watching the news today at 1. I'm Mandira, and now the news in detail. A one-day international workshop on importance of language and religion in safeguarding cultural diaspora, which was held today at VC's Court Hall, Manipuri University, Kanchipur. MU Vice Chancellor Jarnal Singh during the workshop underlined on the need of preserving other religions and language besides protecting our own religion and languages. The workshop was organized by Department of Dance and Music, UGC Stride Component 1, Manipuri University, under the aegis of UGC Stride Component 1, UGC New Delhi. Jarnal Singh also maintained that one realizes the beauty and importance of religion and language only when he or she is far away from home. He further stressed on the importance of today's workshop for Manipuri diaspora in preserving their own culture. A team of Imphal police station caught a serial bag snatcher. The arrested has been identified as 26-year-old Khuraijam Aruba, son of KH Ibotombi of Sagolban in Gudam, Lairak, Imphal, a police report said. He was arrested along with a Royal Enfield Bullet motorcycle in the early hours of the morning. In a latest incident, Aruba allegedly snatched a handbag containing some money and gold jewelries from a woman pedestrian at Kashamthong Top, Lairak Machin, Imphal West last morning. Police also recovered a Royal Enfield Bullet and 4 mobile phone handsets from his possession. Imphal West Police has taken him into their custody and interrogation is underway. In a move to start coffee plantation in Manipur and eliminate illegal practice of poppy or opium cultivation, the Manipur Khadi and Village Industries Board under the aegis of Coffee Board of India carried out a special inspection visit to Lambui Ramba village under Ukhrul district yesterday. The team comprised of 2 Japanese experts, namely Yutaka Agatsuma, chairman of Alternative Plant for Opium, Poppy, Sendai, Japan, and Terautai Watanabe, Director TMH Green Private Limited, Tokyo, Japan, Manipur Khadi and Village Industries, Board Chairman L. Radhakishore and officials of Khadi Board. During the trip, the Japanese experts handed over coffee seeds to Lambui Village Chief, which they brought from Japan. Talking to media persons, L. Radhakishore said, though hill area covers around 20,000 square kilometer area of Manipur, no solid plan on cultivation of useful plants like coffee has been initiated till date. He said people are focusing more on poppy cultivation in hill ranges. Radhakishore added that Manipur has favorable climate condition for growing coffee.
Manipur Khadi Village Industry na paikhatliba coffee thabagi coffee plantation sida kadai phawbada Manipur da success oigadagi haibadu media gi amadi aduga official sing aduga kanodagi Japan dagi lakpiriba agriculture koi expert sig loinana direct mafam sida hoiba coffee sing asi chanabra chanadabra masigi product asi kadai phawba quality leigadagi leiroidagi haibadugi yengba lakpani ekoi yenge hoji phawbada yengba matamda ekoi expert singna Japanese expert friends singna masi success oire.
Chairman of Alternative Plant for Opium, Poppy, Sendai, Japan, Yatuka Agatsuma expressed confidence that their visit to Ukhrul will be fruitful.
これは条件はとてもいいですよね。何もしなくても。これに彼のノウハウがコーヒーに対する肥料とか消毒とかというノウハウを彼がすれば、ここの環境はとてもコーヒー栽培には合ってると思います。
And an inspection for the plantation of coffee is conducted here at Lambui, Ramba, under the Ukhrul district of Sangsak PS, and 2 experts from Japanese have come to see the the testing and the identification of the ventures to take up the coffee plantation with the objective to ease the poppy plantation and other kinds of drugs. The inspection was carried out under the aegis of Coffee Board of India in collaboration with the Khadi and Village Board Industries. With camera person Henry, this is Blessing Yangmai for TOMTV News, Lambui Ukro.
Around 21 acres of illegal poppy plantations at the Machi Hill Range under Machi Police Station of Tengnoupal District were destroyed by a combined team of Tengnoupal District Police, Narcotics Affairs and Border, NAB and 8 Manipur Assam Rifles. Additional Superintendent of Police Operations More M. Amit and Officer in Charge Machi Inspector Rise under the supervision of District Superintendent of Police T.H. Vikramjeet carried out the drive. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.
Chahi khudingi leptana topper puthokliba CBSE gi amatangairaba coaching center, well experienced teaching faculty, akhanaba subject opt tawbagi khudong chaba piri. Batch amada 15 students agi hena logjade. Admission form thazare, form pishin bagi aroiba matam February 10. Akupa moral gidamak lengsun biraksi marks time classes. Wangkai mahobom lampak, phone number 943628830 natraga 70052687735.
Welcome back. Police arrested an overground worker of the band KYKL at Indo-Myanmar border gate number 2 yesterday. The arrested has been identified as Ningthaujam Angau Singh, aged 34 years, son of late and Chinglin Singh of Haino Makong More Ward number 7, Tengnoupal district. Acting on a reliable information about the presence of some overground workers of KYKL organization, a team of More Commando conducted routine checking at Indo-Myanmar border gate number 2 More area when the cadre was arrested. A police report said today. Rupees 10,000 in cash was also recovered from his possession. Manipuri cyclist Rohan started a 6-month-long solo ride from New Delhi to Tokyo, Japan yesterday. This is Rohan's 6th ride. Khel Ratna awardee Dr. Deepak Malik flagged off Rohan from the national capital. He carries a message on the rights of persons with disabilities during the ride to Japan's capital, Tokyo. The young cyclist has successfully completed a series of rides for different causes related to humanity and environment. A one-day awareness program on cane and bamboo was held at the Academic Hall Department of Southeast Asian Studies, Manipur University, Imphal today. The event was jointly organized by Cane and Bamboo Technology Center, Burnihat, Assam and Apunba Imagi Machasing, Manipur under the sponsorship of Northeastern Council, Shillong, Ministry of Donor, Government of India. Department Head of Southeast Asian Studies, Manipur University, Professor Amar Yumnam, Senior Principal Scientist, CSIR, CFTRI, Mysuru, Dr. N.G. Boyaima Singh, Principal, Young English Academy, Kamson Wale, Ukrul K. Varayo, Chairman Machi Village Authority, Dhangsa Rawaithan, Maring and others were present during the program. Oinam Municipal Council organized an awareness program on source segregation and disposal with ward-wise distribution of household bins and enrollment for door-to-door collection yesterday. The program was held under Swachh Bharat Mission Urban, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs at Oinam Awanglekai Community Hall. Chairperson of Oinam Municipal Council and Sanahal Devi, Vice Chairperson O Moirang Ningtho, EO Soni attended the event. The locals were briefed on the importance of using bins and maintaining hygiene. A mini-market shed constructed at Oinam Awanglekai Khongnang Ani Karak was also handed over to the public.
Makada taru tanana lainabe damakta yumdong khudingi oiba 100% binji piduna yumdong khudingi asigumba chakot lamjel asida luna nana lainabagi dina hakjang nadekdaba laina dina chendaba afaba
The Mizoram government will set up trauma centers in Aizawl Civil Hospital and other district hospitals. Health Minister Dr. R. Lanthangliana yesterday said that the trauma center at Aizawl City Civil Hospital is a ₹5 crore project. As per reports, the trauma centers will facilitate treatment in emergency case, the minister said while inaugurating free medical camp for journalists at Aizawl Civil Hospital. He said that the construction of trauma centers in other district hospital has commenced while it is yet to begin at civil hospital. Expressing concern about minimal presence of doctors on emergency, especially during night time, Lanthangliana said that the government would construct resident quarters near Aizawl Civil Hospital to accommodate serving doctors. According to him, the government would construct a Rs 500 crore modern cancer specialty hospital at Zimabak neighborhood on the eastern outskirts of the state capital. He said that the state government has approached Japan International Cooperation Agency for the project, which was already approved by the center. We'll take another short break. Keep watching.
Nauka Hearing Aid Center. Kumja lising Machapon Marifum Dodi Honachai Kuntramanga Hena, Notice India Ahan Hearing Aid Clinic Moine Leklaba, Nauka Gi Info Center Mahangjare, TV Medifon Congel, Loinana, Nil Kongum from the Tabang, the Awab Mayok Nedibinaha Ali Kudimak, Wabi Rugano, Nauka Hearing Aid Clinic and Asimak Lension Directuna, completely invisible, water resistant, Amadi rechargeable Loidaba, digital hearing aid, happy you. Tabang Pangalwana Badongi Kangachana, single powers at Tambio, I could lay from the Nagamapal Main Road, Pogay Sangam Lekai, near Community Hall. Mobile number na 6000954159.
Madeline Ambulance Service Manipurna Pung Kunmari Chupna Miam gi Seba Taugzari. Ambulance Service Asina Miam the Pizariba Servicing the Yumdagi Hospital da Pukhatpa, Hospital dagi Yumda Puthaba, Hospital Amadagi Hospital Amada Puba, Yumthang Nariba State Sing the Anabasing Puba Amadi Loba, Luinana, India gi Mafang Kudimakta Chetpayaraba Air Ambulance ki Service Asina Chingmani. Masida natana lambigi accidenta lemna hospital da pukhatuna miyamgi mateng pangjari adom sunga simak save taushin biu aikhoigi contact number 9205987988 natraga play store sangbiduna Madeline F download tobiu.
Welcome back. At least one policeman was killed and 2 injured today when an improvised explosive device went off near a police mobile van deployed for the security of polio workers in northwest Pakistan's Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province, officials said, according to a media report. This year's first nationwide polio vaccination drive began on Monday, aiming to vaccinate approximately 39.6 million children. The campaign involves nearly 2,65,000 polio workers going door to door to inoculate children under the age of 5. The incident took place in Kulachi area of Dera Ismail Khan city in the province, where the van was deployed for the security of the polio workers canvassing the area. District Police Officer Wahid Mahmood was quoted as saying by the Dawn News. The head of a leading hospital in China's central city of Wuhan, the epicenter of a coronavirus outbreak, died of COVID-19 today, becoming the second prominent Chinese doctor to have succumbed to the outbreak. According to media reports, Liu Ziming, the director of Wuhan Wuchang Hospital, died at around 10:30 a.m. today. Earlier this month, Li Wenliang, a doctor who was previously reprimanded for issuing an early warning about the coronavirus, had died after getting the virus. Now we have the sports news. Sachin Tendulkar collected the glorious sporting moment of the year 2000 to 2020 for the World Cup winning celebration in 2011. It was India's first WC win on home soil and its second cricket world title. Sachin was honored by tennis legend Boris Becker and former competitor and good friend Steve Waugh. Formula One champion Lewis Hamilton and Barcelona forward Lionel Messi were declared joint winners of the Laureus World Sportsman of the Year award in Berlin, with the voting tied for the first time in the award's 20 years history. Mercedes driver Hamilton won the 6th World Championship in 2019 with 11 race wins and 17 podium finishes, while Messi was crowned the world's best player for a record 6th time when he won the Ballon d'Or. American gymnast Simone Biles, who became the most decorated gymnast in World Championship history when she won her 25th medal last year, won her 3rd Sportswoman of the Year gong after winning the award in 2017 and 2019. The Springboks win the Laureus Team of the Year for their incredible trump in the Rugby World Cup in 2019. Now the newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. House passes motion of thanks on governor's address. Biren assures white paper on financial position. Supreme Court for command role for women army officers. Center wrapped over sex stereotypes. Nirbhaya gang rape case. Foe convicts to hang on March 3. Aam Aadmi Party to failed candidates in Manipur. Fitting tributes paid to Kishan, Token, Razen. Movements of CSOs deliberated. The People's Chronicle. 8 students expelled as HSLCE 2020 begins. Chief Minister assures financial white paper for last decade. 48-hour total shutdown turns violent in Ukhrul. Dam-affected bodies suspend stir. Nirbhaya convicts to be hanged on March 3. Imphal Free Press. Opposition slams government over budget estimate 2020-21. Government prioritizing on what needs to be, says Chief Minister Biren. 8 candidates expelled on first day of HSLC exam.
Now the top news headlines once again. The headlines: MU Vice Chancellor Jarnal Singh stresses on preservation of religion language. And police catch serial bag snatcher in Imphal. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur for more updates.